good things are coming. Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs don't show up when you expect them. They show up after the struggle, after the long nights, after the doubt, after you've kept pushing when most people would have quit. The truth is, success doesn't happen overnight. It's built in the unseen moments, the early mornings, the extra calls, the sacrifices, the discipline, and the decision to keep moving forward when nothing around you says it's working. But if you stay consistent, if you stay hungry, if you stay committed to becoming the person you know you're capable of becoming, good things will come. A better life, more freedom, more time, more control, more income, more purpose. That's what happens when you stop waiting for opportunity and start creating it. At TruPowur, we've built a platform where ordinary people can step into an extraordinary future, helping families and businesses save money on electricity and natural gas while building long-term compounding residual income. This isn't about chasing quick money. This is about building something real, something sustainable, something that can change your life, your family's future, and your legacy. And the best part, the timing has never been better. The energy industry is moving fast. Customers need solutions, and the people who position themselves now will be the ones who benefit the most later. Good things are coming, but only for those willing to prepare for them. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.